Welcome back to Anonymous Repair. And today, what I'm going to do is this a channel update? So this is some chocolate milk. So this is going to be not much on the bench. Where I want to start is I want to see if I change to a headphone. This is a gaming headset, cheap one. Change to the headset and see if the audio is better. First of all, and then some more stuff I want to cover. So give me a few seconds, get that headset set up and switch to it, and let's try that microphone out. Okay, so we're on the headset now, so this should give me a better constant level of audio. And let's see if this is going to work out. So first of all, I want to start off as giving a big thanks to my mate Vince for the shout out, and eventually got my AdSense sorted, so I've got some new goodies. So now I can turn around and you guys won't lose the audio. So this is in a box. Get you guys a bit higher. So let me just unpack this and then we get into the stuff and why I bought it, and we need that one. Alright, let's get this out of the way. Alright, so I've got a super clamp, and this super clamp is to clamp onto my desk to avoid this wobbling of the camera. I've got a magic arm which will make the phone mount way stronger. This is actually quite a nice thing. And then I bought a ring light, and with this ring light came the cell phone holder for this. So I have to figure out how I'm going to get all this stuff together. The main advantage of having this magic arm is you can move it whichever direction, and once you tighten this down, it locks everything into place. I know I'm not going to need this part. I know this is going to come off, so I think this is going to come off as well, and this will go into the air. Get tighten nicely, and then we can mount this to my desk, and this should give me a way more solid mount for the phone. So I can't film this part. This should go on here. And I need a way to get the ring light on there as well. So I'm not actually sure how I'm going to do this. I don't know if I can maybe remove this. Put the ring light on here, and then put the ring light on here, then we can get the phone You see, that's what I'm talking about. Bumping the camera. Maybe I can get the ring light on there. Right. And then get this to hold my phone in some way. So that's what I'm going to battle up next with, and then we get back to it, see how it works and if it's going to work. We can switch maybe this ring light on, see how it looks. So there we got the ring light. We can go down in brightness, we can go up in brightness, we can switch it on and off obviously, and then we can change the color as well. So we'll be playing a bit with this as well and see how that works. So let me get this whole set up, and I can remove my selfie stick, which is the wobbly thing that wobbles. So let's see how this goes. Okay, so I'm not happy with the clamp, so I've got a ring light on. So if we switch it off, you'll see it gets darker. Switch it on, it's much better. It's max brightness. You can change the to warmer tone, to mid tone, and then to the whiter tone. So I'm not happy with this amount. This hole here is too big to clamp onto the magic arm. So what I think of doing is getting a smaller clamp, something that will fit on that arm. Maybe I can have a look tomorrow quickly if he's got something that fits on that arm, and then we can get a phone mounted. But I'm quite happy. Way less vibration if I knock the camera, and I think a way better brightness of the video. It's definitely an upgrade. And so I'll just take this out of the way, and I just want to thank all the new subscribers, all the people that's watching the videos. I really appreciate it. I need to do something else to my LED light in the back. Let's see. Let's switch off the side lights. I want to thank all the new subscribers and everybody that's that joined the channel. I thank you very much, and for all the existing subscribers, thank you as well. There's still some videos I have done that I still need to edit. The audio, I found some issues in my audio, so most probably I can get that sorted. Let me know how this audio sounds. If this sounds better, then please let me know, and I appreciate your input. So thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Cheers.